Hi, this is Sandy Create the Heart. Sorry, I'm like slow getting going, looking at my orders. So I've got a couple orders here from Not2Shabby shop along with something else. So let's go ahead and get started. Not2Shabby, I did a pre-order for the new Lawn Fawn. Let me kind of show you a little bit about what that is. This is like something else. So this is like Insano stuff. Okay. So I got, as a free gift for pre-ordering, this stamp set, which is year 10. I got this, which is the reveal wheel circle thingy, the reveal wheel templates. I got this one, which is called Reveal Wheel Circle Sentiments. I got the Iris, Magic Iris. So I got the Magic Iris add-on as well as the Magic Iris die. So I did get that. And then I did a second order. And with that, I got a couple other Lawn Fawn pieces. I got the Reveal Wheel Circle add-on frames. So it's like the flower, the sun. I got this Reveal Wheel add-on. This was my free gift for the 60. This was the kind of like, I don't know, it was a hot buy or the deal of the day or something like that. I think it was only $1.99 or $2.99. It was very inexpensive. I don't know if my thing says how much it was, but it was very, very inexpensive, which is why I picked that up to throw that in my cart. I did get the Grading Farm Happy Easter because it's super cute. I did get this, which is the Farmers Markets Papers by LDRS. I just so loved the colors. They're so summer and, I don't know, just really wanted that one. And then I did pick up this, which is, she had a bundle of stuff that was the surfboard, I think it's called. Anyway, I just loved it. Such a pretty line. So I got it in this bundle. You got the surfboard 6x6 paper, as well as the chipboard, the flowers, the gems, and the ephemera. So I did get that pack, and so that's what I got from Not2Shabby. Oh, I also got one more thing from Not2Shabby. Sent me. There's that. These rainbow Dress My Craft, and these are teeny tiny little rainbows. They're super cute. So I got those. And then the Grading Farm had a pre-order of some stamps that I think they had digital. And what's cool about these is they're a front and back stamp. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to use it, but I'll have to see how other people are using it. But I also just like the front, really cute. This is Frappy Anya, and it says, hey there. This one is Hello Cupcake. And then this one is What's Up. So I just really love those. So I did pick those up. And then My Favorite Things had a 50% off. Now I didn't buy a lot. The one thing that I did buy was this one because I just got for $5 the stamp set. So I forget how much this was, but it's very reasonable. I got this, which is from All of Us, because I do a lot of birthday cards for work. So it's like, we hope you feel better soon. We wish you a happy birthday from all of us on your birthday. We're so very sorry for your loss. We're so proud of you. With our sincere thanks, congratulations from us. So that's great for that. Did I order this? Too sweet. I don't know if I ordered this, which is super weird. So I'll have to look and see if I ordered that, because I don't remember doing that. I don't know if that happens to you, but it happens to me. But I got this a la mode Miss You a latte along with the die. And then I also got these balloon shaker pouches because they are pretty cheap. So that's my haul. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Create the Heart.